Hello, my name is Grabando. Arte. The man is in the elevator. The man does not stop the elevator. She is running to the elevator. The girl is playing with her balloon. The girl is sneezing. The man does not help the girl. The man is loading the car. The man is running for his car. The man does not receive the paper. The man is waiting for the change of light. The woman is grabbing the man by the arm. They are passing the street. The car is running fast. The man stops the car with his hand. The woman is thanking the man. The man sits on his sofa. The man stops the elevator. The woman is smiling. He helps the girl. He receives the paper. He is happy. He is walking. He is walking happy. He is looking at the other man. He is pretending to be blind. He is holding the man.